The good thing with Jim Trenary Chevrolet, when a customer does come in, we want them to feel like it's family. Whether it's at this location or one of our other locations, you get the same experience.
When a customer comes into Jim Trenary, let's say it's for an oil change, routine maintenance, you can drive in just like you own the place.
We have some employees that greet them right away when they come in. Once they get in here, a small brief conversation of what their visit's going to be about today.
To make the process smooth for the customer, we do have a very great database that keeps all of your information on file. We do try to schedule appointments for most anything that you come in for. That way you have a designated time slot. We can have, undivided attention to you when you get in.
You build that relationship with your specific advisor, so when you come in, he knows what you've already done, he knows what you're due for. It's like a friendship. And that's the advantage of coming to a dealership. The professionalism is what makes you better.
What I think Jim Trenary prides himself on is, taking care of their customers. We're not here to sell you anything you don't need for your vehicle or, do any type of repairs that are unnecessary. I would go out of my way to get that extra friendly service and people that know you and respect you, and they're people just like you and I want to get treated the same way. That experience that you have is, going to be the same and consistent every single time.